Hi speech students, it is Thursday of week 1 and I was reviewing the discussion board introductions and the gradebook for quiz 1 that was due last night, Wednesday, and noted that only about 62% of the class had completed quiz 1, so I wanted to encourage you to, if you have not done so, familiarize yourself with the Blackboard shell and with MindTap, which is the online textbook that you're using for this course, and it is where you read the book, take the quizzes, and record your speeches. So this is a short video walking you through how to get to that area. So from our Blackboard shell, you're going to click on the left-hand nav bar, the assignments link. You will see that I have this link at the top. This link will always be there. It is static so that when you go into Blackboard, you can always click that to get into MindTap. The next folder, as it says, will be speech assignments and rubrics, or you can click through the week. So I'm going to go into week 1, and I am going to go down to, you have 4 links that take you to link 1. The first link is just reading the chapter. There are also links to watch a video and complete. Usually there's a couple questions worth some points, and then the quiz. All your quizzes, you have 16 chapters, so you'll take 16 quizzes. All your chapter quizzes are 10 points each, and for each quiz you get 3 chances to take it, meaning that if you take it the first time and you get a 10 out of 10, you don't have to take it again, but if you take it and you get a 5 and you want to do better than that, you can take it again until 3 times, and then the system will take the best of those 3. So if I click this link, and if you have not clicked in here, you're going to get a page that asks you to register. And so use your registration credentials to get in there, but this will take you directly to our speech website. And this will take you to start the assignment now, walk you through the quiz, and then you submit the assignment for grading. Don't forget to do that. And then you will see it there. When I look at progress, as I said, I'm seeing that only 63% have completed the activities that were due. So that's lower than I'd like it to be. And if you have questions or concerns, please do reach out to me by email, and I will try to address them as soon as I can. I will be traveling this evening to Fargo. It's about a 6-hour drive. And I will be in Fargo for the weekend, but I will have my laptop with me, and I will be checking my email somewhat regularly, so please do let me know if you're having issues. Also, if you're getting timing out errors or bad request errors, that's usually the fault of something going on with Cengage, and I encourage you to contact the Cengage 1-800 number that I have linked on Blackboard. They will ask you for your student ID, and they can also share a screen, or you can allow them to see the screen that you're working on briefly. They can see what you're seeing, and they can diagnose it pretty quickly over the phone. I know it's sometimes intimidating to call people on a 1-800 number, but in my experience it's been pretty speedy, and they're usually pretty helpful. So they will be able to help you better with technology issues than I can. All right, if you have questions, drop me an email. Thanks.